Hello everyone, I just want to share with you a quick activity that you can do with your toddler or preschooler. So all you will need is foam paper or construction paper, a piece of yarn, a pipe cleaner, and a piece of cardboard. Also, once you have your pieces of foam paper, you just cut them out into basic shapes. I did squares, circles, and triangles. Next, you will need a hole puncher and just punch holes through the middle. Here is the needle. I prepared it with a piece of yarn. I tied a double knot and a piece of cardboard to secure the shapes once the child starts to thread the shapes. And this is simply a pipe cleaner that I bent and twisted, and I secured the end by doing another little bent. So all you do is you teach your child how to thread the needle through the shapes. And while he is doing this, you can talk about the shapes, the colors. Once he gets older, or depending on the age, you can do patterns. This is an activity that will develop eye-hand coordination and awareness of different colors and further awareness of the shapes. Also, he or she will learn to appreciate something that they have created, and perhaps your child might not be able to thread all of the shapes in one sitting, so it might be something to do with them for a couple of days. Once they finish, you can turn it into a nice necklace that they created simply by removing both ends and tying them.